Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Hansen with Valley Office Systems again. I'm just going to give you a quick video demonstration on printing from your new KX driver for the copier machines that we've put into Mount Logan Middle School. So this is a one-time deal. We'll need to do this initial step the very first time, and it's pretty important, so try and make sure not to forget it. What we're going to do is we're going to open up our start menu. We're going to open up our devices and printers. If we can't find it in the start menu, I know Windows 10 is a little bit more difficult, then we'll choose printers and scanners, and then we can select the devices and printers from that option. So once we get to a screen just like this, devices and printers, we're going to select the new copy machine that we put in, whether that be 200 Hall, Cluster Hall, 6th grade, 300 Hall, or the office. We're going to select that, we'll right click it, and we're going to go to Printing Preferences. It's one of the selections that's available to you. So we'll let my computer think for a little bit. It's a cold morning. And here we go. So we're going to get a screen that looks just like this. A picture of the copy machine that you have in each of your workstations will be right here. And what we're going to do initially, and again this is very important to do, is we're going to scroll down this left side all the way down to Job. As you can see, it's here, Job. We're going to click on Proof and Hold on the job storage, and we want to choose that one to Private Print. So when we select Private Print, we also leave this checked for Prompt for Access Code. Okay, and I'll show you what that's done in just a second. Now, just a little bit of the purpose of coming to this spot. These set the preferences every time you open up the printing driver. So if we're printing from a Word document, an Excel document, or a PowerPoint, whatever we're printing from, it's always going to default to these, whatever we select on this printing preferences page. Okay, so now let's go in and actually print something. So we're going to open up a Word document. And so let's just type in test here. So when we're ready to print, we're going to come to File, Print. We're going to make sure that the printer that we want is selected. Okay, so once we select the printer, it should be the first one because it should be your default printer. There are some options that are going to be on the left side. These are through the Microsoft print driver side. If we need to get any more complex than what's available on this left side, we can always select Printer Properties and we'll see a similar window pop up. So this will give us all the information and all the selections that we could have had initially. So this is Kyocera's print driver itself. So let's just change it to black and white, and we'll change it to a landscape. And so we'll hit OK, and then we're going to click Print. Now this is what that's going to do. We're going to access or utilize a feature called Private Print. So we'll put in a quick key code. I used 1111 just for demonstration purposes. I'm going to hit OK. Now the purpose of using this private print mode is you'll see that as I go to the printer, nothing is printed off just yet. So what we can see is as we come to the control panel, and this is exactly identical to what you'll be seeing on your copier, is we can select Job Box, Private Print, Stored Job, and we'll open that. And you'll see that I had printed something, so my name is there. So I can open that, select the document that I printed, and then choose Print. It'll ask me for the password, and once I put that in, I can select the number of copies that I want to do and hit Start Print. This will allow you to keep your prints confidential and secure, but it's also going to keep you from picking up somebody else's prints, or even worse yet, having somebody else pick your prints up. So we'll see that as this machine now processes it, that print job is now deleted from the control panel. So as soon as we print it, it's no longer going to be here. So you can actually let a document sit on the server up to 7 days, depending on the settings that are on your copy machine, and you can retrieve them whenever you'd like to within that 7-day period. And let's see, here is our document. Okay, perfect. Thanks for watching.